Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the important topic of comprehensive curriculum development and implementation. We'll be exploring how integrating thoughtful planning, effective assessment, and a strong focus on inclusion and equity can really enhance educational outcomes. I'm excited to share insights and strategies that can help us create more meaningful and impactful learning experiences for all students. Let's get started. When we talk about curriculum, we're referring to a well organized framework that defines what students are taught, how their learning is assessed, and the educational experiences they go through. It's essentially the blueprint that guides the entire learning process. The curriculum plays a crucial role in education by serving as the backbone in classrooms, shaping both teaching methods and learning objectives. Its main purpose is to shape student learning outcomes, making sure education is coherent and meaningful while aligning with academic standards and goals. Finally, the curriculum is made up of several key components: the content that students learn, the ways their progress is assessed, and the overall educational experiences that help them grow. This comprehensive approach ensures that education is purposeful and well structured. When we talk about curriculum planning, we're really talking about laying a strong foundation for effective teaching and learning. Effective planning is crucial because it helps align what we teach with our broader educational goals, while also addressing the diverse needs of our students. It's not just about picking topics, it's about thoughtfully selecting content, creating engaging learning activities, and organizing lessons in a way that makes sense and stays relevant. Think of curriculum planning as a roadmap. It guides educators step by step to deliver learning experiences that truly matter. And most importantly, good planning ensures that everything we do in the classroom leads students toward gaining the knowledge, skills, and competencies they need to succeed. Assessment plays a vital role in the curriculum for several reasons. First, it helps us understand how well students are learning by evaluating their outcomes. It also provides valuable information that allows teachers to adjust their instruction to better meet students' needs. Additionally, assessment guides the ongoing development of the curriculum, ensuring it stays relevant and effective. There are different types of assessments to serve these purposes. Formative assessments are used throughout the learning process to monitor student progress and give immediate feedback. Summative assessments, on the other hand, come at the end of an instructional period and help evaluate overall achievement. Diagnostic assessments are designed to identify students' strengths and areas where they may need extra support. When used together, these assessments create a comprehensive system that ensures teaching is responsive to students' needs and the curriculum continues to improve over time. This approach helps create a more effective and supportive learning environment for all students. When we talk about fair and appropriate assessment practices, the first thing to consider is addressing the diverse needs of learners. It's essential to minimize any bias to ensure that every student has an equal chance to succeed. To achieve this, we use multiple assessment methods. This means going beyond just written tests and including projects, oral presentations, and portfolios. These varied approaches accommodate different learning styles and abilities, making assessment more inclusive. Ethical assessment is also key. It involves being mindful of cultural, linguistic, and cognitive differences among students. Finally, the goal is always to provide equal opportunity, so every student can effectively demonstrate what they know and what they can do, regardless of their background or learning preferences. When we talk about inclusion, the first and most important point is ensuring equitable access for all students. This means designing the curriculum so every learner, regardless of their background or abilities, has a fair chance to succeed. To achieve this, it's essential to adapt both the content and teaching strategies. This might involve modifying materials or using different approaches to meet diverse needs effectively. Inclusive curriculum isn't just about access. It's about creating a space where every student can engage meaningfully. When students feel their unique perspectives and abilities are valued, participation naturally increases. Ultimately, an inclusive approach fosters a culture of respect, equity, and opportunity, shaping a learning environment where everyone has a chance to thrive. When we talk about curriculum planning, assessment, and instruction, it's important to see them as parts of a continuous cycle that all influence each other. First, curriculum planning helps us set clear instructional goals. These are the targets we aim for in the learning process. Then, Assessments come into play by giving us valuable feedback on how well students are progressing toward those goals. Finally, instruction isn't static. It evolves based on what the assessments reveal. If students are struggling with certain concepts, instruction can be adjusted to better meet their needs. This dynamic interplay ensures that teaching is responsive and effective, ultimately supporting better learning outcomes. When we talk about curriculum in action, we're really looking at how it shapes what happens every day in the classroom. The curriculum guides teachers in their daily teaching and assessment practices, making sure everything aligns with learning goals. For instance, it influences which learning activities are chosen to effectively meet those objectives, ensuring students stay on track. It also determines how formative assessments are used throughout lessons to check for understanding and provide timely feedback. Additionally, the curriculum informs how instructional strategies are adapted to fit the unique needs of students, which is crucial for keeping them engaged and helping them succeed. So, curriculum decisions are at the heart of creating a dynamic and responsive learning environment. When we talk about striving for equity and fairness, we're really focusing on a fundamental goal, ensuring that every learner has the support they need to succeed. Achieving this means we must intentionally design our curriculum and assessments to remove any barriers that could hold students back. It's about recognizing the diverse profiles of our learners and creating opportunities that are truly inclusive and just. Promoting fairness means valuing each student's potential and making sure our educational practices help every student achieve their best. Ultimately, curriculum and assessment should be tools that support the success of all learners by fostering an environment where everyone has an equal chance to grow and excel.